Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make a Nightmare Before Christmas Zero by upcycling an orange juice bottle and a trash bag. With this type of bottle, it's very easy to remove the labels. Once you find the top of the bottle as you see here, you can then start outlining the ears, mouth, and also the two holes that you will be drilling on the bottle. These two holes will be located 1.5 inches from the rear of the bottle. In this DIY, I decided not to include exact dimensions to the ears and the mouth because you can't really go wrong with it. For the rear of the bottle, it's optional to drill 2 holes to create a notch because you can also glue the rudder once you have it complete. It is recommended to use an X-Acto knife to cut out the features on this bottle, but you could also use scissors as well. When it comes to creating the mouth feature, it is recommended that you use a V-type bend at the tip to create a more realistic look. As I mentioned before, this notch is completely optional in case you don't want to glue the rudder to the rear of the bottle. Ensure to add a center top marking on the cap, which will come in handy for the next step. When creating Zero's pumpkin nose, it's easy to drill out the eyes and the mouth and later add the details you want with the X-Acto knife. When creating the rudder, which allows for Zero to face in the direction of the wind, it could be created with a cardboard or anything plastic you may have around. There's no exact shape that is needed, just make sure that it sticks out long enough to be able to catch the wind. When using this as a true wind spinner, you can use a garden stake and a plastic washer or any washer you may have to be able to support a platform to make it spin. In a detailed section of this video, I'll also include a link to where I got these puck lights, which came in handy when lighting up Zero during nighttime. You can use any kind of adhesive, or in my case, I'm using glue dots to adhere the puck light to the back of the bottle. This remote comes in very handy, and it's also a fun way for the kids to be involved while setting this up at night. When applying Zero's outfit, you will use the corner edge of the bag to apply it to the tip of the bottle. The main steps here are to cut out the ears and the mouth, and then also ensure that the bag does not obstruct the pumpkin nose of Zero. Tape or ribbon material will work just fine for Zero's collar. It's up to your taste to decide to trim any more of Zero's outfit. The sealed edges of the bag can be used to cover up Zero's ears. The neat thing about using this bottle is that you can easily bend the plastic to create Zero's very unique ear bends. You will follow the same procedure to cover up the mouth. Any kind of black tape or even black felt can be used to create the inner mouth feature. You can't really go wrong with this as long as you create some kind of a triangular shape to it. The same type of duct tape or felt can be used to create the eyes. cutting some of the bag away from the bottom of zero helps keep the bag away from binding on the rotating platform of the stake. If you decide to hang this from a tree or some upper structure, you can use twine and follow this example to learn how to anchor it and be able to hang it. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did, and if you made this for some little ones, I hope they also enjoy operating it and watching it fly all through Halloween. Please don't hesitate to like, share, or even comment in this video, and if you enjoyed watching this, consider subscribing to my channel for future upcycle ideas. Thank you guys for watching.